Dennis again, back here at Roost Vans. Well, actually, I never really left. So what we're going over right now is our entire paneling system. And right now, this video, we're going to focus on the lower. Now, another great way that we can help you get your van built and off the road and trimmed a little bit more beautifully, is by, on top of our ceiling, mid-wall paneling kits, is also offering the lower wall paneling kit. We make this out of an anti-skid hex-ply. It's also available as fabric wrapped, such as the mid-panel is shown now, and you can also do a bamboo finished or unfinished. You know, it's a really pretty simple and straightforward finishing option that takes advantage of our smooth rail mounting system for all your lower cabinetry and bed system needs, and goes in super fast. Easily serviceable. The mounting system does not entrap the paneling itself, so you don't have to remove your entire mounting system in order to access one panel. For a DIY build, that's really a good selling point, because there's just a tremendous amount of flexibility in being able to build out your van and still have a finished look, and kind of during the build to some degree. So check us out at roostvans.com.